All right, so Daddy Fo had a couple of questions asked. What if I want to sous vide something, but I don't have all your toys? Okay, so we're going to do it no toys, straight up. We're going to do fillets sous vide, and we're going to do it just with a pot of water, a thermometer, and a bag, just a bag, a normal storage bag. We're going to do this. I'm going to show you, you can do it at home without any toys. I know, I like my toys. Boys and their toys. We like our toys, and so we're going to do it. But watch this, because you can do sous vide old school way, the right way. Well, maybe not the right way. Take a look. Okay, so we have our 3 fillets. There's only 3 of us here because 2 of us are not here. So we're going to do our fillets. Now, when I did the sous vide fillets with all the toys, I had some really thick fillets. These are not as thick, only because I didn't feel like cutting my own. And Fresh Market won't let you in without a mask, and I didn't have a mask. So I was relegated to the grocery store. So this is what I have. But at least I have 3 fillets that are very, very similar in their cut. They're all off the same loin for sure. And so we're going to bag these up, and we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of butter. So we have just a normal bag. We're going to drop our 3 fillets down in here. And then we're going to take and put 1 tablespoon of butter on top of each one of these fillets. Now, when you're going to do it this way, all you need to do is make sure that you compress the meat down, and because we're not using a vacuum sealer, we're going to take and get and just force as much air out as we can. You know, I mean, if you're really aggressive, suck all the air out, man. You know, that's pretty, actually, I think I blew more air in than I sucked out. But, all right, so all right, well, that's about what you're going to get when you're doing it this way. Okay. Okay, so now you can use a regular cheap thermometer you can buy for like $4 at your local grocery store, or especially a food supply store. But I have a little bit nicer. This is a Pyrex Professional, because I am a pro. No, I'm a faux, not a pro. So let's see where our water is. Okay, so we're at 132. So we're gonna have steaks that are gonna come out at 132, which is, you know, they say up to 135 is medium rare. So let's just go with that. Honestly, my stove is on its lowest setting, and you can see the water. So what we're gonna do is, oh, I just squeezed a lot more air out. Okay, so I'm going to drop this in, and we're gonna let this go for 1 hour. It is 7:28. So we're gonna let it go just like that. I'll probably clip the bag to the side, so it'll just stay here. It's not hot enough to melt the bag. And yeah, there you go. Then we're gonna pan fry these just like we did when we had the whole setup, my whole fancy, you know, faux chef kind of setup. And we're doing this just like you would if you didn't have any of it. All right, we're 25 minutes into our process here. This is the deal. When you do it this way, you have to monitor. And okay, so we're down. So now we have to turn up the flame just a little. So you can do it, you just have to monitor a little bit more than you would with the sous vide machine, which takes all the stupid work out, like my stupid work. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're going to move our pan back off the heat. We're gonna move our other pan, our cast iron skillet. Yummy. All right, so I'm going to season these up a little bit more. We're going to turn up our flame here, and we are going to have sous vide, no toys steaks. We have our steaks. I've added a little extra salt and pepper. We've got some butter. 3 tablespoons, 1 per steak. It's getting really hot, starting to brown. Oh, sizzle, sizzle for zizzle. I think that's what Snoop Dogg would say, right? So we'll let these sit about 2 or 3 minutes. Flip it, 2 or 3 minutes. and eat dinner. All right, so we're gonna open this steak up because we're gonna have a boy dance party in a minute. Boy dance party! Oh my. Woo! We're eating dinner. Thank you. Best steak ever, Mackie? Better than skirt steak?
Tie.
Huh?
It's a tie.
It's a tie?
Well, I don't want to say it.
I don't want to cry.
No, it's a tie.
Don't tell me it's a tie. You're gonna make me
You
cry.
already did a video on the other.
Oh, well, I can redo it. I just redid this one. All right. Peace out.